Control Panel Overview. So far, we have been using a few applets in the Control Panel, but we never explored it in detail. In this tutorial, we will be exploring the Control Panel in Windows XP. Let's start by defining what is the Control Panel. The Control Panel has been an inherent part of the Microsoft Windows operating system since its first release, Windows 1.0, and with many of the current applets being added for later versions. Beginning with Windows 95, the Control Panel was implemented as a special folder. In recent versions of Windows, the Control Panel has two views, Classic View and Category View. Classic View displays all the applets, while in Category View, it categorizes the applets into related areas. With the Control Panel, we can view and change the basic settings of the system, controls via applets such as adding hardware, adding or removing software, controlling user accounts, and changing accessibility options. Now, let's take a tour of the Control Panel. To open the Control Panel, go to Start and select Control Panel. The Control Panel interface opens in a category view, and applets are also displayed. In the left side of the interface is the Control Panel tab and the See Also tab, which includes Windows Update, Help and Support, and other Control Panel icons, while the applets are displayed on the right side. We can switch between these two views through the Switch to Classic View option that appears on the left side of the window under the Control Panel tab. Windows Update option is used to update the Windows operating system by connecting to Microsoft Link. This option, of course, is only used if we have an internet connection. Next, we have the Help and Support option and Other Control Panel option, which opens the third-party software's control panel. Now, let's see the applets. First, we will start with Appearance and Themes. This applet is just the display properties used in changing the settings of appearances, themes, desktop, and resolution. We have other control panel icons like Display, Folder Options, and Taskbar and Start menu under this applet. We will discuss these in detail in upcoming tutorials. Then is the Printers and Other Hardware. In this applet, we can install and change the settings of the hardware, like printer, scanner, or fax printers. We can also change the settings of other hardware, like game controllers, keyboard, mouse, phone and modem options, printers and faxes, scanners and cameras under this applet. Next is the Network and Internet connections. In this applet, we can change the settings of the Internet and network connections of the system. We can also change the settings of the Windows Firewall, Network Setup Wizard, and Wireless Network Setup Wizard under this applet. As we have used and discussed about the User Accounts applet in the Creating User tutorial, we will see the following one, Add or Remove Programs applet. In this applet, we can change, add or remove programs, software, Windows components, and set program access and defaults. Then we have Date, Time, Language, and Regional options. In this applet, we change the settings of the date and time and add other languages to the system. Later, we have Sound, Speech, and Audio devices. In this applet, we can change the settings of the system volume, the sound scheme, speaker settings, and sound card that we are using in the system. Next, we have Accessibility option. In this applet, we can change the settings of text and colors displayed on the screen, mobility needs, and accessibility options like setting shortcut keys and so forth in the system. Under the Performance and Maintenance applet, we can change the settings of the system, the hard disk, administrative tools, power options, schedule tasks, and system. In the Security Center applet, we can change the settings of the system security. We can also change the settings of the security system of the Internet options, automatic updates, and Windows Firewall under this applet. So far, we have discussed the control panel and its applets.